Hey guys, it's me, Easton. Today we are going to the lake. No. We are going to, I don't know, lake. I forgot the name. We're gonna go ride the boat, have a fun time. So, Dad got the boat out. I'm gonna go show you the boat before we go. Let's go to know. Everybody says everything on my YouTubers. So, if you go on, but before we head to there, don't worry, I new videos every single day, and you can subscribe if you want. But every day we have new videos. So today we are going on the boat to fish and have snacks to relax because we just got a new boat.
Yeah, there it is back there.
And we got fishing rods.
And we got our fishing rods. What else?
And worms.
Then worms. There's Ivy. She's all excited. Are you excited, Ivy?
No!
We've been waiting all day.
And waiting all night and all day.
And there's Daddy. You excited, Daddy?
Yep.
And that's Mommy. That's holding the camera.
Yeah, here we go. Got our snacks all loaded on our snackle box.
Wait, did you change it to you?
No, still you.
So guys, we will see you at the lake.
Yeah,
And I will try our new boat out.
that's right. Channel name.
It's called Adventures.with.Easton.
That's right. Easton and Wesley. And Ivy. Is it good chocolate? Super yummy, eh?
Soupy poopy. And he said every time you say poopy, we're adding it out.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Poopy.
Be a good blooper right there. What do you think, Daddy? You got anything to say? You know where Ivy gets it from. No, Daddy's just kind of, I think, testing everything out.
Trying to get a feel for it.
Yeah. How's everyone feeling? Good? How do you like it? Good? What do you think, Ivy? You're thinking? You're not sure about it? So, YouTuber, Easton, what do you think? Yeah, does it go good? Yeah. No, there's no water features here.
There's some good tubing.
Yeah, we gotta get a tube first.
Yep. A big one.
Ready? We'll take a video? What do you think, baby? Is that super cool?
Touch it.
Oh, there's the tackle box.
Yeah, there it is.
What is this? What tackle box?
Don't worry about it. Daddy's putting on a show. That's what they do when they're in the parade. No, Daddy's just getting a feel for the motor, baby. It just takes time. Ready to go fishing? Yeah, well, we have to kind of go find a spot to fish. What did? No, they're down here. Alright. We're supposed to be just fishing in the lake? No, you don't have to hold it, baby. Just we got corn puffs, chips, cookies, bear paws, Oreos, and Easton ate our applesauce in the truck, guys. Easton was hungry. Wesley's caught one fish so far. What was it, a bass? A smallmouth bass. Oh, Easton, you got something? Your line's awfully tight. Oh, we're the only ones on the lake tonight. One of our favorite lakes. How's the snack station? Is it yummy? You got more chalk on your face than you have in your belly. And here we are. Wesley fishing, Daddy fishing, Easton watching, Ivy eating. Let me relax. Fun.
It's a shame I can change. Maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead. We keep spinning.
You got something, Wes?
If we just take a little more time, I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing.
No, just fish was just moving to a different spot because you're getting too close to that rock over there. Can we take a little risk?
It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. It just takes a little time.
Oh no, that's just a boat docked over there. What happened, Ivy? You have a juice box incident?